Hey guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here again. And here's the big question for today. We talked in the last video about the importance, why it's important to become commitment oriented. What is the role of commitment? And here's the question today. How does one become a commitment machine in life? How do you do that? Right? First, before I get to that, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. But here's what I want to tell you. I'll give you an example. I have a client by the name of Same Day Automotive out in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And I gave a talk about commitment and the role of commitment in life and in business a few years ago. And the owner, this guy by the name of Danny Smith, came up to me and looked me in the eye and said, "This commitment thing, Dan, I'm all in. Let's do it." And we did. We started working on his team and working in his company. And without spending a nickel more on advertising or marketing, we've been able to grow his business at the rate of 57% over a 3-year period without spending more on advertising or marketing. And how we did that was by having all his people become commitment machines, right? So how do you do it? Well, there's a whole bunch of things we want to talk about here, but I'll just say how you do it, how you do that, how you become a commitment machine is by practicing power moves. Again, I want you to go back and do a little research in history. Go look at what Winston Churchill said. Right? He was only prime minister for a few weeks when the Nazis attacked and they blitzkrieged the city. Right? He had to make a commitment to do something to turn the thing around. He did. Look at what President Kennedy did when he launched the space industry and the Apollo mission, his famous moon speech. Right? He made a huge commitment to something, and he produced that. Now, this doesn't happen by accident. These men practiced their craft. Kennedy practiced that speech. I'm sure he practiced it hundreds of times before he gave it. And that's the secret. You want to become a commitment machine in life, in athletics, in business, in sales. You have to know what to practice, how often to practice, and when to implement, and when to exert your power. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in my power sales training. That's what it's all about. Peace. Check us out on molloysales.com.